Hello students, good morning you to all. आमे माने डिस्कशन करुथिले एलिमेंटरी कैनाल रो किछि पार्ट्स वोकल कैविटी माउथ एमिति डिस्कशन करुथिले एवं वोकल कैविटी रो आमे पालाटे आउ टंग विषय रे ऑलरेडी डिस्कशन करिचे आमे आज आसीबा एठी कि टीथ लेट्स डिस्कस अबाउट teeth. The branch of biology that study with deals with teeth is called odontology. Odontology is one branch that deals with the structure and function of tooth. So the nature of human teeth are आमो दांतर नेचर होची कौन नेचर ऑफ ह्यूमन टीथ वन हेटेरोडोंट सेकंड डाइफायोडोंट थर्ड थेकोडोंट and fourth bunodont. Heterodont, diphyodont, thecodont and bunodont. Okay, what is heterodont? Heterodont teeth are dissimilar. A dissimilar tooth. If teeth are similar, we call it as homodont. In case of as in case of frog. But in our case, there are teeth are dissimilar teeth, and if dissimilar, then question arises, then how many type of teeth are there? Teeth are dissimilar and are of four types. One, incisor, canine, premolar and molar. Heterodont teeth are dissimilar and are of four types: incisor, canine, premolar and molar. Incisor, it is sichel shaped means this shaped powder akaro sichel shaped, 8 in number. Okay, 8 in number, sichel shaped, 8 in number, named as first and second incisor, okay, and associated with associated with a single root, associated with single root, and meant for cutting. ପିଲାମାନେ, what type of teeth incisor? It is sichel shaped, 8 in number, and named as first incisor, second incisor. Means we are having two jaws, and the distribution of teeth in each jaw is similar. This is your upper jaw and this is your lower jaw. In upper jaw there is presence of 16 numbers of teeth, and also in lower jaw there is presence of 16 numbers of teeth, and in each half jaw there is presence of 8 numbers of teeth. So this is half of upper jaw, another half of upper jaw, it is lower jaw, half of lower jaw, another half of lower jaw. So arrangement of teeth, incisor 2, canine 1, premolar 2, and molar 3, in each of half jaw, that is maybe of lower jaw or maybe of upper jaw, the distribution of teeth are similar. How then that teeth are distributed in each of the half of upper jaw or lower jaw? In each of the half jaw, 2 incisors present. So here 2 incisor, that is total 8 incisor, and named as first incisor, second incisor, first incisor, second. So named as first and second incisor. Okay, associated with a single root. आमे माने आसीबा सेठिके जेते बेला आमे स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ टूथ को आसीबा, each tooth consisting of 3 parts: root, neck and crown. So in our case, in case of human being, teeth are deeply enrooted into the bony socket. So each tooth is associated with root. Maybe number varies, but associated with root. In this context, the incisor, it is associated with a single root and meant for cutting. Next, then canine, then come to canine. In case of canine, it is dagger shape, four in number, associated with single root, single root also, and meant for tearing, canine, and is well developed in carnivorous animal, carnivorous animal or carnivores. Okay, here one canine, one canine, one canine, one canine. Okay, so there are 4 canine and is associated with also single root and meant for tearing. Then come to your premolar. Then come to premolar. Premolar. Mortar shape. Mortar shaped. Mortar shaped. Also 8 in number. 8 in number. Named as first and second premolar, first and second premolar, okay, associated with upper premolar with 2 roots, and lower premolar with a single root, okay. This is premolar, first premolar, second premolar, and we are having 4 half jaw, so 8 numbers of premolar are there, named as first premolar, second premolar. Upper premolar has 2 roots, lower premolar has a single root, okay, and all the premolars are monophyodont in origin, and all are monophyodont in origin means originates once during lifetime. Monophyodont in origin. So premolar ये हला premolar mortar shape माने हेमदस्ता पुआ आकारर 8 in number, प्रत्येक हाफ जरे जोड़िए लाखे, तेणु 8 in number. तांको ना देइछे कोन फर्स्ट प्रीमोलार, सेकंड प्रीमोलार. अपर प्रीमोलार हैज 2 roots, lower premolar has a single root and meant for grinding. Charbana danta meant for grinding. So you have to remember shape, mortar shape, 8 in number, and upper premolar with 2 roots, lower premolar single root, monophyodont in origin and meant for grinding. Next, molar. Also molar also mortar shaped, okay, 12 in number, named as first, second and third molar, first, second and third molar. Upper molars have 3 roots, and lower molars have 2 roots. Upper molars have 3 roots and lower molars have 2 roots, okay, and all the third molars जोटा कि 4 in number. All the third molars monophyodont in origin, monophyodont thore uthe, monophyodont in origin, and also vestigial in nature. Also vestigial means doesn't have any function, non-functional, dysfunctional, vestigial in nature, and meant for grinding, So this is the heterodont type of teeth. Means heterodont type of teeth means teeth are dissimilar, and since dissimilar, then how many types? Na 4 types. And what are the 4 types of teeth? Incisor, canine, premolar and molar. And we have already discussed the characteristic of each of the teeth. What type of teeth they are? Incisor or canine or premolar and molar. They are the 4 types of teeth: incisor, canine, premolar, molar. And one thing you have to remember, what? All that teeth must associated with root. The incisor, canine and lower molar, lower premolar has single root. Incisor, canine and all the lower premolar single root. Upper premolar, lower molar 2 roots, and upper molar 3 roots. All the incisor, all the canine, all the lower premolar single root, all the upper premolar, all the lower molar 2 roots, and all the 3 molars, upper 3 molars has 3 roots. So this is the heterodont type of tooth. Next, the nature of human teeth is diphyodont. Diphyodont means teeth originates twice. Diphyodont teeth originates twice during life. Teeth originates twice during life. One or there are 2 sets of teeth. There are 2 sets of teeth. 2 sets of teeth. The first set also called milk teeth or deciduous teeth. Milk teeth or deciduous teeth. What is the characteristic of milk teeth or deciduous teeth? They are 20 in number, and dental formula is incisor 2 by 2, canine 1 by 1, premolar 0 by 0, molar 2 by 2 into 2 is equal to 20. That means, what is dental formula? Dental formula is your teeth present in half of upper jaw, and teeth present in half of lower jaw into 2 is equal to tamane teeth present in half of upper jaw and teeth present in half of lower jaw into 2 tamane pratyek half jaw re kete guणन 2 tenu teeth present in half of upper jaw that means incisor 2 by 2 एठी दीटा इंसिजर एंड एठी गोटे इंसिजर प्रीमोलार नाही मोलार दीटा लखे तामाने पिला माने देखो इठी मिल्क टीथ रे केते कोन रहुची दांत एठी जोड़िए इंसिजर तळे भी जोड़िए इंसिजर गोटिए केनाइन ये गोटिए केनाइन प्रीमोलार टोटाली नाही प्रीमोलार 0 प्रीमोलार नहीं मोलार दीटा तामाने प्रत्येक हाफ जरे केते रहिला इंसिजर दीटा केनाइन गोटे प्रीमोलार मोलार दीटा 5टा तामाने 4टा हाफ जरे 5 गुणन 4 20टा दंत रहिला तेनु 20 नंबर्स ऑफ टीथ तार डेंटल फार्मूला हला इंसिजर 2 by 2 इंसिजर 2 by 2 2 by 2 इंसिजर केनाइन 1 by 1 प्रीमोलार नहीं मोलार 2 by 2 into 20 and originates that is dental formula originates during 6 or 7 month 6 or 7 month originates during 6 or 7 month so that is milk teeth also called deciduous teeth originates during 6 to 7 month and 20 in number and they are arranged in a formula means incisor 2 by 2 means half of teeth present in half of upper jaw and teeth present in half of lower jaw into 2 से अनुसार कौन ना इंसिजर दीटा अच्छी ऊपर हाफ जॉ रे तले भी दुईटा लोअर हाफ जॉ रे केनाइन ऊपर हाफ जॉ रे गोटे लोअर हाफ जॉ रे गोटे प्री मोलार कोठी किछि नाही मोलार ऊपर हाफ जॉ रे दीटा लोअर हाफ जॉ रे दीटा एमिति फुल जॉ रे 20टा दांत दैट इज कॉल्ड मिल्क टीथ देन सेकंड सेट ऑफ टीथ that is called permanent teeth second set also called permanent teeth okay that is 32 in number originates during 7-8 years and dental formula for permanent teeth dental formula for permanent teeth is equal to incisor 2 by 2 canine 1 by 1 premolar 2 by 2 and molar 3 by 3 into 2 is equal to 32 incisor 2 by 2 canine 1 by 1 premolar 2 by 2 molar 3 by 3 into 2 तामाने पुणी आसिला कौन ना मोलार पळे आसिला दीटा एठी मोलार दीटा आसिला एवं सॉरी प्री मोलार दीटा एवं एठी मोलार आ गोटे आसिला थर्ड मोलार आसिला सो हियर स्टूडेंट्स क्वेश्चन अराइजेस हाउ मेनी नंबर्स ऑफ टीथ originates twice and how many numbers of teeth originates once during lifetime or how many numbers of teeth are monophyodont in origin. So in this way 20 numbers of teeth, 20 numbers of teeth diphyodont, and 12 numbers of teeth monophyodont. Okay, कौन कौन पिला माने देखो, all the premolar 12 numbers of teeth, all the premolar means 18 in number, and all the third molar 4 in number. In this way 12 numbers of teeth, they are monophyodont in origin. 12 numbers of teeth, they are monophyodont in origin. So that is diphyodont. Okay, so there are two sets of teeth, first set and second set. तामाने आमे जन्म हला बेल को दांत रहुनी 6-7 मासरे गोटे सेट रो दांत आसुची, से 6-7 मासरे गोटे सेट रो जो दांत आसुची सेठी 20 टा दांत आसुची, से 20 टा दांत all incisor 8 in number, all canine 4 in number, all premolar remain absent, and 8 molar. So in this way these 20 teeth, 20 numbers of teeth, they are the milk teeth. They shed off and again erupts, and thus these 20 numbers of teeth, they are diphyodont in origin, and only all premolar, that is 18 in number, and all the third molar, that is 4 in number, they are monophyodont in origin. They originates once during lifetime. In this context, in case of frog, it is polyphyodont. Teeth originates many times. So that is the diphyodont. Then thecodont. Thecodont means teeth, tooth embedded into the bony socket. Thecodont, tooth embedded deeply into the bony socket, that is thecodont. Okay, and bunodont, having low cusp, So this is the nature of human teeth. So the nature of human teeth, आम दांतटा पिला माने की भलिया ना, आम दांत होची हेटेरोडंट, ता माने आम दांत असमानिया दांत, आम दांत गुड़िक समान नुह. जदि समान नुह ताहले क्वेश्चन आसीबो केते प्रकारर, ताहले जदि पिला माने समान ताहले दांत गुड़िक गोटे प्रकारर. आमे जेहेतु कहले दांत गुड़िक डिसिमिलार, देन क्वेश्चन अराइजेस हाउ मेनी टाइप्स ऑफ टीथ देन, and they are of 4 types. What are the 4 types of teeth? Incisor, canine, premolar, molar. एवं incisor, canine, premolar, molar समस्तंकर characteristic आमे कहले. Incisor होची सिचेल shaped, canine होची dagger shape बहुत मुनिया, एवं premolar molar होचंती से माने mortar shape. Incisor होची 18 in number, canine होची 4 in number, premolar होची 18 in number, molar होची 12 in number. All incisor, all canine, all premolar, they are having single root. All upper premolar, all lower molar 2 roots, and upper molar 3 roots. तामने teeth, they are associated with single root, double root, and triple root. जो माने 3 roots रे attached root enrooted होचंती से माने more strong. Okay, तेणु only all upper molar having 3 roots, lower molar, upper premolar 2 roots, lower premolar, incisor, canine single root. Incisor meant for cutting, canine meant for tearing, premolar and molar meant for grinding teeth. Okay. Then diphyodont, teeth originates twice during lifetime, or there are two sets of teeth. The first set is called milk teeth, also called deciduous teeth. In the first set of teeth, in the first set, 20 numbers of teeth arises, and they are arranged in a formula in a systematic order, in which way incisor 2 in upper half of upper jaw, canine 1 and premolar absent and molar only 2. In this way 20 numbers of teeth arranged in first set, and or milk teeth or deciduous teeth. And in second set 32 numbers of teeth arises, and the 32 numbers of teeth, they are arranged in a formula like incisor 2 by 2, canine 1 by 1, premolar 2 by 2 and molar 3 by 3 into 2. And thecodont is tooth deeply rooted into the bony socket, बहुत शक्त भाव माने बोनी सॉकेट जॉ बोन उपरे जो सॉकेट अच्छी से शक्त भाव अवस्थित. एंड बुनोडंट होचे हाविंग लो कस्प, आमर टीथ टा पूरा पूरी फ्लैट नुह, एमती टिके खालुआ होकरी अच्छी. सो हाविंग लो कस्प, दैट इज कॉल्ड बुनोडंट. एंड ईच टूथ कंसिस्ट ऑफ 3 पार्ट्स. देन structure of tooth, structure of tooth. Three parts. One is your root, another neck and crown. रूट नेक क्राउन. देखो पिला माने this is your root, and this is neck, and this is crown. Structure of a tooth. Structure of a typical tooth. Typical tooth पिला माने means कौन? May be incisor, canine, premolar, molar. What type of tooth may be? Each tooth consisting of 3 parts: root, neck and crown. The portion of a tooth, the portion of tooth that is rooted into the bony socket, that is called root, and the portion of tooth that is encircled, sheathed by the pink color gum, that is called neck, and the white visible portion of tooth is called crown. The white visible portion of the tooth called crown. And entirely tooth is consist of the dentine, the bulk component of tooth, the bulk components of tooth, that is called dentine, and made up of odontoblast cell. Odontoblast cell. Okay? Odontoblast cell. And it is coated with a enamel secreted from amyloblast cell. Amyloblast cell. And this is ectodermal in origin. Ectodermal in origin. And this is mesodermal in origin. Mesodermal in origin. Whereas dentine is mesodermal in origin, enamel is the ectodermal in origin, and enamel is the hardest substance of the body. The hardest substance of body due to deposition of fluorine, due to deposition of fluorine. Okay, so this is the structure of tooth. जो तक तुमर धला पोर्शन देखा जाउची ताको आमे क्राउन कहूचे, एवं जोटा पिंक कलर रो गम द्वारा सराउंड हेकरी अछि ताको कहूचे नेक, एवं टूथ रो जो पोर्शन टी बोनी सॉकेट भितरे एम्बेडेड हिची ताको कहूचे रूट, एवं दी बल्क कंपोनेंट ऑफ टूथ हमर होची डेंटाइन. तामाने एंटायरली टूथ इज मेड अप ऑफ डेंटाइन and which is made up of the odontoblast cell, and this dentine is mesodermal in origin, and it is covered by the enamel, the hardest substance of the body, deposition of fluorine, and it is ectodermal in origin. Please remember these two things pilamane: dentine with odontoblast cell and enamel amyloblast cell. Dentine mesodermal in origin, enamel ectodermal in origin, and dentine the bulk component, enamel cover it. It is tooth is coated over the enamel, the hardest substance of the body. So this is all about your teeth. हला आज पिला माने एतिके आरो क्लास रे हमें आउ फर्दर प्रोसीड करिया. थैंक यू ऑल.